In the village of Khas, psychologist Rakesh Kumar Pandey embarked on a 3-day journey of engagement and enlightenment. He met with Mr. Vivek Kumar Pandey, a social worker uplifting village children through an initiative known as Vivek. Parents voiced their appreciative perspectives on this transformative work. Republic Day was celebrated with gusto as Pandey shared his vision of the Vish Mukt Vishav initiative. He interacted with notable personalities, their collective wisdom echoing through the village. Motivation and inspiration were the orders of the day, as villagers and stakeholders found renewed purpose. A visit to Sitamani Badohi was next. Workshops on crucial topics like good touch and bad touch were conducted, educating both students and parents. The idea of a digital library was discussed, its potential for quality education and skill development underscored. At the Gram Panchayat Gaushala, Pandey offered support to destitute cow calves and oxen, reinforcing the importance of caring for all living beings. Farmers were urged to embrace natural farming, seeding the idea of similar teams in nearby villages. This 3-day visit was not just a journey, but a catalyst for change.